What's the meaning of cavatina? Cavatina. Cavatina.
Cavatina. Cavatina. Cavatina refers to a musical term that originated from Italy, specifically during the Baroque period. It is typically an instrumental piece, often in a slow or moderate tempo, which showcases a soloist's technical prowess and emotional depth. The term derives from the Italian word cavata, meaning a vocal phrase, and is commonly associated with opera or other vocal performances. The cavatina has since been adapted for various instruments and genres, becoming a popular form of musical expression throughout history. Overall, it serves as a beautiful and emotive display of a musician's skills and artistic expression.